Let me show.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you drop it.
That happens all the time, Daddy.
You know how to fix it?
This one goes. Ah, sticker.
Why? What happened?
It got sticky.
Okay.
It was sticky. You put glue on it.
Got it?
There we go.
Okay. Let's go.
This is the unicorn's living room right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is unicorn's nest.
Let's
And
go.
this is the door, Daddy.
What?
Yeah.
What's that?
Do you have string inside here? There has to be string in.
Yeah, but we can put it somewhere. Maybe down here.
Mm-hmm.
Just put it down here. What do you think?
Can I see the bread inside?
Which one?
Can I see the bread inside?
There's no bread in there.
We put bread inside.
Oh, but we don't have. See the one?
I can't see it.
There's no bread. How about we put some bread?
I can't
Right there.
see the. I'm putting bread inside.
Hey, wait.
You want some meat?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, Daddy!
What happened? Why?
The ants.
Yeah.
Daddy, that ant is observing.
Hmm?
That ant is observing to the queen. So it can make more eggs and more ants.
Carrying it. Where is it?
They're giving
Where?
it to the queen, Daddy. But it's full. Look.
Mm-hmm.
How they're going to give it to the queen. Let's watch and see, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
Me and her team are really expert.
Mm-hmm.
I love ants. Can we follow the ants, Daddy?
I don't know.
Follow the ants, follow. What it means. Oh, feet. Look. Oh no, that one is trying to get the bread. Moving.
Where?
That one. I'm gonna make more for the ants.
Okay. Is that for dance or for the bird?
For the ants. And more. And more. And more. And more. More and more. And her queen. Have a great time. The birdhouse.
No, it's not a bird house. It's a bird
Feeder.